Donny Jackson, editor of Virgin Communications Magazine. I'm here with Kevin Williams, Vice President of Product Development for Avtec. Kevin, what's new this year?
There's a lot going on at the show this year. We've got our new Scout 3.0 software that we've just launched. Our 3.0 release has some exciting features in it. We have all new hardware peripherals. We also have the option for a software audio package for your audio processing, and we have a new Ranger accessory that opens up more options for the organization to interact with the dispatch infrastructure.
So tell me about each one of those packages.
Well, this is our hardware. We have our new media workstation.
Right.
It has dual NIC interfaces.
Okay.
It's also about 30% smaller than the previous version. We have new speakers. Speakers are still stackable. You can have up to 10 on a Scout system, so they stack on top of each other like that.
Right.
You've got improved design as well as smaller footprint, trying to save as much space on the desktop as we can, about 30% smaller. They've got the same bicolor LED that our customers are used to, so when audio comes through, you see the LED changes color. Adjustable, you can set minimum volume so that certain channels never go all the way down. And the same industrial grade kind of expectation you've had. Newer amplifier that's more efficient, uses less power. The new microphone has an XLR connector, so you can change out the element. This comes standard. If you want a different option, a longer gooseneck or a boom mic, you can also do that as well. It's an industry standard connection. We've got positive feedback when you press the push to talk button that lets you know that it's operating. New ergonomic design. It's more resilient. It's more ergonomic. Guides your hand into where you need to press for the button. So just really a sleeker, more robust option.
Talk to me about what the advantages are with the new Scout 3.0.
Yes, so we still have our standard offering here with the hardware audio processing option. So all your audio processing is done inside this box here. So that's your mixing, your patching, your gain control, all happens inside that dedicated appliance. With 3.0, we've also taken all those same routines and we've written software to do that on the console software as well. So we have a laptop version now where you can plug in USB peripherals, have all your audio processing done in the PC, and it provides greater mobility and flexibility to the dispatching environment. So you can do things like mobile command vehicles or disaster management scenarios where you need to quickly add a position. You now have an option with just a laptop and a USB headset to do that whenever you need to.
Brilliant. So that's a big deal right now. I mean, the FCC is pushing that for PSAPs and things like that. So if my place gets flooded out or whatever, I can just use the Scout 3.0 software package on a PC and I can keep my call center going.
Yes, that's one of the advantages of being pure IP. So we have Ethernet connections from the dispatch position all the way through to the radio infrastructure. That provides you a lot of options with mobility and geography. You can place different components in different places. You can plug in different places and get connected.
Okay. Well, so if I already have Scout right now, obviously, and I look at this 3.0 and I see this new functionality and I want it, is there an easy migration path, or am I
Yes, it's very straightforward to upgrade. You can contact our customer support department and they can help you with that process. We have a push install mechanism with the product, so you can push out new software from a central location. Makes it very easy for the IT department to upgrade from a previous version of Scout up to 3.0.
And then from the standpoint of hardware, do I necessarily have to buy new hardware to run 3.0?
You don't have to buy new hardware. All these components are backward compatible. So you need the 3.0 software to run the new workstation. You can mix and match your speakers and microphones however you need to.
Okay, and has this already been tested in the field?
Yes, this has been out in the field. We have customers that are in various stages of beta and controlled deployment. We've had our software workstation out in the field since late 2012, and we've got customers now with the speakers and microphone in beta right now.
So Kevin, you mentioned the Ranger accessory. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yes, Ranger is a new accessory for Scout. So we have dedicated dispatch positions with full functionality, but a lot of organizations have a need for people to occasionally connect to the radio infrastructure. And for that we have Ranger. So Ranger here is running on this is a Microsoft Surface tablet. You can have up to 4 radio channels connected. This is a live demo. It's fully operational today with our 3.0 software. You have here a Tate radio, so we have one of the Tate P25 Phase 2 radios here. You can see as I talk, you can see the Vox indication come through. You can plug in a USB headset, and I could listen to the audio, I could speak back and get back out to the radio. So this is an exciting development here. It provides a level of mobility that we really haven't seen before in our dispatch environment.
So if let's say I'm a mayor of a city or something like that, now normally I'm not going to even have to be anywhere near any of this stuff,
right?
But in a really crucial situation, you know, if I'm having flooding and the police chief wants to me to be able to talk to people, maybe talk to FEMA or something like that, I could use this.
When situations escalate, you often have senior staff and others who need to be involved or want to be informed of the conditions, so that's where Ranger can really shine. Other uses would be IT departments. Anyone that doesn't need a full console, but just needs some level of connectivity, this Ranger suits that need very well.
Okay, and is all this stuff commercially available now?
Yes, this is all part of our 3.0 software package.
Okay, all right. Thanks a bunch for speaking with me today. This looks great, Kevin, and have a great show.
Thank you.